How to make salt dough ornaments. This is a no-bake salt dough, which means that it air dries. You're going to add flour, salt, water, mix it all up. A tiny bit of cooking oil just in case it's dry. And it's going to get to this hard consistency, and then you're going to actually need to use your hands to mushy it a little bit. You're going to sprinkle just a dash of flour onto your table so that it doesn't stick. And then you're going to roll your dough. There's a little bit of a technique to this. You're going to start in the middle and roll your way out. So notice how I'm starting in the middle and I'm rolling out. I'm not just rolling left to right and top to bottom. Then you'll press your cookie cutter into your dough. You want to wiggle it just a little bit so that it separates from the rest of the dough. Then you're going to poke a hole at the top of your ornament. You may use a pencil to do this. You want to make sure that your hole is big enough so that when it dries, we can thread some string through it or ribbon. Then you're going to carve your name onto your ornament. So I use my initials, which are A, N, C, and then I wrote the year so that I will always remember my ornament was from 2018. The way that you write your name is by using kind of like little teeny dots. So you poke little teeny holes to make, to draw your name into it. If you try to draw it like you're drawing on paper, it doesn't really work. Then you're going to let it dry onto a tray with parchment paper.